Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a math column. Okay, so in order to use math column, you have to have at least one number column or a function that returns a number. You cannot do math calculations with text or dates or anything like that. Okay, I know that in Glide you can do it with dates, but we don't do that. Okay, so here's how we do it: math, and then you're going to put x plus y, and then you're going to choose the number column. And if you don't have another number column, then you need at least another number column to do this. But let's say, okay, let's just say plus 1. Okay, so now it added the number 1 to this price. Okay, so this is how you do math column. You have to have a numbers column.